It's VQs.
Original Batman. Lega. Fire can cool me up blazing. Me I be the one that bless me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Bad man, me I know say me a better than them. Them a call me yard, me a better than all. Bad man, me I never back down, stop. Them a
Hello everybody, this is a makeup summer collab with Extreme Beauty Factor. I'm using the Morphe 3502 and I'm using that color. I'm using two colors. It's kind of like an orange and burnt orange, and I'm definitely going to be using my BH Cosmetics brush that I usually use, and I'm basically blending everything in, and I'm just going to use three colors from this palette here. I will be using three palettes today, as you guys see here, and I'm blending is your friend, okay? All right, and definitely go see Extreme Beauty Factor right after this. Oh, I'm also using the Yodit from Juvias Place, as you guys can see here. All right, for the eyebrow bone. Okay, eyebrow bone, I'm sorry. And definitely go check her out. And she's nice, down to earth. She definitely knows what she's doing when it comes down to makeup. She's very, very awesome. Definitely go check her out. Her potential is so awesome. She's so nice, and her communication, it was so good to collab with this young lady here. So definitely go check her out after you are done with my video, okay? All right, so that's basically about that. So I'm going to use the NYX multi-taxer. I believe that's what's called, the multi-mix, and I'm going to use this. I'm sorry, I'm butchering the name, y'all, but I'm basically going to do the fake cut crease that you guys know that I usually do. And I'm going to use Solar Flare by BH Cosmetics. I'm going to use Fireball. And all of these items will be mentioned down in the description bar below. If it's not there, please give me some time to put all the items there. All right. I usually do that with all my makeup videos, so you guys can go back and give it a look-see. And I'm basically patting this on. It's a fake cut crease. It's just to help with the eyeshadow from not moving around as much, even though it does move around, but it does help with the eyeshadow to be more prominent. And then I'm using this kind of like dark brown to smoke out the eyes. And I'm using my BH Cosmetics brush. And blending is your friend, so please do this, okay? If you cannot blend, you know, I'm going to need for y'all to blend, okay, y'all? Blending is blend till your arms fall off. Blend till your arms fly away. Like, for real, y'all. Like, I'm not playing. I'm serious. Okay. All right. So we're just gonna put this on here, and I got this brush from I believe CVS, and I love that brush. So it's basically about that. So I'm doing the other side the same way. So I don't want to talk to you guys throughout the video, because I know you guys don't want to hear my voice throughout the video. But the rest of the video is going to be how I do the eyeshadow, and also how I do the rest of my face. So you guys do not need me to explain that. Just look and you will see. If you have any additional questions, please let me know. Please do not forget to check out my girl Extreme Beauty Factor, my YouTube sis. Please definitely go check her out. She is awesome, and she will have another summer look for you to go to if you need a summer look, okay? Her videos are awesome. They're very detailed, and I definitely think you will enjoy her. So definitely go check her out. Her video will be down in the description bar below, so please do not forget to check that out before you leave here, okay? But you better do it after here, okay? Sorry. But anyway, yeah, so that's basically about that. So yeah, so you guys enjoy the rest of the video. I hope you guys have a wonderful blessed day, blessed night when you're watching this. Please check the description bar below for all the information, and definitely check the description bar below for Extreme Beauty Factor's video to this collab, okay? So that's basically it about that, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I think that's basically it. If I forgot anything, I'll definitely annotate in the video. And any questions, comments, let's come to the market. Not watching. Peace. Bye.